Regina Davis at the NARUC Winter Policy Summit in downtown Washington, D.C. Joining me right now is Jim Steffes, Executive Vice President of Corporate Affairs for Direct Energy. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me, Regina.
And
appreciate
thank you
it.
so much for being a sponsor of our Policy Summit.
Thank you.
So tell us, why is it important for people to attend a NARUC meeting?
Well, first of all, NARUC, anytime you can get this level of engagement with the industries and the regulators to come together, talk about important policies, really understand where we are today and where we're going in the future. I think it's a great opportunity. It gives us a chance as a company like Direct Energy. We're an energy and gas retailer that more and more is trying to create solutions, smart technology-based solutions for our customers, be it homes or businesses across the country. It's a chance to express where they're going, where our customers are going, where markets are going, where we need then regulators and regulation to go, so we can best fulfill the needs of all of these consumers across the country.
Okay, so we've got a pretty full agenda. Are there any sessions in particular that you're most interested in?
We're really focused on gas, natural gas and electricity issues. Those are the ones that we focus on. There have been a couple today. I mean, there were some over the weekend, green tariffs. Clearly what we're seeing is that corporates are interested more and more in buying sustainable energy, buying distributed energy, driving towards corporate goals and their customers' goals. Same is true at household levels and open markets. Also, this conversation about the grid, the distributed grid, distribution and transmission technologies. Again, how do we build a platform so that customers can express their individual preferences over time? So those are the places where we like to spend time, but really getting ideas from other industries, just seeing what is in the mind of the regulatory community, trying to understand where they're going and what their problems are so we can see how our company can help address them.
And those are important conversations.
Yeah.
So what questions should regulators be asking in 2019?
It's a great question. You know, what should regulators be doing? You know, the thing that I keep coming back, and so somebody who's helped serves millions of customers every day, well, our business, when we think about it, what we're really driving towards is trying to allow an individual consumer to express their individual preferences around questions of what we call the trilemma of affordability, sustainability, and reliability. And so more and more what we would talk to regulators about and policymakers about is how do you allow more and more customers, consumers, businesses and homes to express those unique preferences. The old model of one size fits all is sort of falling by the wayside over time. And so what we need to be doing is how do we give customers the ability to go forward, find their own path, and do it in a way which, again, everyone wins in the market and in this industry.
Well, that would be an ideal situation.
Sure would.
So, is there anything else you'd like to leave us with?
No, I mean, I guess the broad question for everyone at NARUC to consider, right, is we're in this accelerating transition. It's becoming more distributed, more digitized, more decarbonized, and ultimately, what we believe, more designed. And by that last point, I think sometimes the what I call the 4 Ds of this transition, we often forget the designed element, which is how do customers get to express those preferences, and then how do we, as an industry, working with the regulators, see those come to fulfillment.
Okay, great.
Thank
you so much for supporting the Policy Summit, and thank you for joining us today.
Thanks, Regina. Thanks for your time.
Sure.
Appreciate it.